In this video, we are going to see that if you're in Google Chrome and you don't see this Ask a Gemini button, here's a quick fix on how you can get it back. So basically, it's available for all the new versions of Chrome. So maybe you need to update your version, or you might have accidentally unpinned it. So if you have, let's say, unpinned it, what you need to do is, let's say I unpinned it like this, and now I don't see it. All you have to do is just right click here and you can click on pin Gemini. Here's the option. You click on that and you will get it back. But let's say that you don't get it. What you need to do is just head over to the three dots in Google Chrome and scroll all the way down to the bottom where you see settings. Click on this, and on the left hand side you will see this about Chrome option. Once you click on that, it will immediately update the Chrome for you. If not, you get the update button here somewhere. So you manually click on that and it should update to the latest version after that. So once it is updated, you will relaunch the app, and there you go. You will definitely get the Ask Gemini button after that. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.